How to delete account bio history on Instagram. So you want to go here directly to your Instagram application, and then on the bottom part you'll see five different options. Go here to your profile, and then on the upper right you'll see the three dash lines. Click on the three dash lines there. Now here, and it will pop out these options here, and then you're gonna go to here to your activity. Click on that. Now let me just put it out there that you cannot delete. So here it will look like this. Now all you're gonna do is to scroll down up until you see the how you use Instagram section there, and here you will see account history. Click on account history. So the next thing that you're gonna do is on the upper part you will see three sections here: newest to oldest, all dates, and of course update type. Click on update type here, and then choose bio since we want to delete account bio history on Instagram, and tap on apply. Now here you will see all the history that how you change your account bio. And the trick here is you can't actually delete your account bio history, but you can change your account bio and never delete you can never delete your history on what you did to your account bio. So even though if you will see a clear all here on the upper right, you will see clear all. If you click on that, it has deleted, or it will just redirect you here to your account history, to your general account history. And as you can see, you will still see the bio changes that we actually did. And basically that is how you delete account bio history on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.